Hi guys, this is Katie and today I am at EmQuartier and Emporium. I'm going to show you some of the Christmas decorations and get shopping. So let's go. So there are a lot of different brands here in Emporium, but they also have quite a lot of, like, they have like a department area. You can get vouchers for this type of place as well, and they have a lot of Christmas stuff. So that's what I'm going to have a look at today. I love the displays here. So you have your Christmas trees. These are 90 baht. I kind of love them. I know they're tacky, guys, but they are cute. Some lovely glasses. I love these. Look how cute these are. So they are 1,192 baht. Looks like you get them in a pack of 2. And then some more stuff over here. So if you are in Bangkok and you're looking for some decorations, I mean, they're not the cheapest in the world. Like, you can probably get them from Lazada, but they're not that bad price. Like, these are 60 baht. What is this here? This is 60 baht, yeah, so not too bad. They also have some really nice baubles. These baubles are lovely. If you want some colourful ones here. You'll get like standard decorations here. Like, these are the types of decorations you'll probably find in a lot of the shopping malls here. These seem to be really popular here. Oh, look at this. Wow. Oh, these are interesting. These are kind of nice. Like, I feel like you'd want a whole tree made up of them. But they are really interesting. And they're only, what did I just saw, sorry, 80 baht. That's not too bad. And then you've got your tinsel. Tinsel is 60 baht. More decorations here. So I'll be honest, guys, I'm not here just to look at decorations. I wanted to look for a pan. Oh, and they have some sales. Wonderful. So I need a new non-stick pan. This is quite a nice one. It's heavy. I want like a frying pan that's non-stick. I can do my cooking in. I'll be honest, guys, I don't cook that often. I've started to attempt to cook a little bit more, but it's very minimal. But it leaves me in a place where I actually have no idea what I'm looking at. I just know I need non-stick. Nah, that's about it. Karen keeps talking about like a skillet that you can put in the oven, but I don't think that's what I need. I don't know. Who knows? Anyone know of a good company? Is Tefl a good company? Who knows? Okay, this isn't what I need. Look how cute this is, guys. Just for 2,000 baht. Or 2,500. I tell a lie. There you go. That's very cute though. So, I found a few pans. I've taken a few photos of them. I've sent them to Callum to go and tell me if they're any good or not. And now I'm gonna carry on shopping. So this is obviously the tech section. I always end up in the Apple section. It just seems to be a thing. Found a little toy section. Some PlayStation games. Right, that was a very quick look at Emporium, and we are heading over to EmQuartier. So that was Emporium. I always feel like it's just not as good. Like, it's always, I think maybe it's just because it's like Dior, Prada, shops like that, and then the department store doesn't really have much rhyme or reason to it. But EmQuartier is one of my favourite malls in Bangkok, so let's go in there. So inside the EmQuartier Mall at Christmas time, they have this gift section, and you have Christmas decorations, you have wrapping paper, but you also have Christmas gifts. And it's kind of an opportunity for local small stalls to like come in and sell some of their products. So some of the stuff I saw here were things that I'd seen like in the Hope Fair Christmas market that I've been to before, or in like the local farmers market as well. So you do get some handmade stuff, you get some resellers. I thought these were amazing. These were these ornaments, these like turning ornaments. You choose what characters you want on them, and you could see here that she was making them as and when people were ordering them. I thought that was really cute. She also had some examples of ones that she'd made before with little houses and Christmas scenes, and there was even a few Disney ones as well, which I just thought was really nice. And they all have music that goes with them too. And you could, like, there was like a little touchpad where you could put the code in. It would show you what the music was. It would play the music for you. So that was interesting. They also had lots of Christmas decorations. Some things were more traditional, some things were very unique to this mall. Like, I haven't seen them when I've been looking at Christmas decorations before in Thailand. They had Christmas stockings, which was lovely, and lots of different things. I loved this little gingerbread, like this gingerbread house over here. I thought it was really cute. But yeah, lots of little things here. They also had some like pops and characters and figurines and things like that, perfect for gifts. More Christmas decorations. These inflatable candy canes I wish I had seen before we finished school. I really like them. And lots of kind of garlands and wreaths. Again, more like shum-shums, like figurines and things like that for gifts. And this whole section really is for gifts. If you've got younger children, this is an ideal place to go. Care Bears, like cutlery for children, cups, mugs. There was such a variety. And this was a little shop that I recognised from the Hope Fair that I went to a few weeks ago at the start of December. They actually had this plate that I had purchased here as well, which was interesting. And yeah, lots of different toys are available here, lots of different like card games and board games and just everything that you could possibly think of. There's definitely something here for everyone. Lots of decorations as well. Interestingly, I found this really random decoration that I had bought in China 6 years ago. And it was so interesting because in China, we bought it on our website called Taobao, which is kind of like eBay, kind of like Amazon, but super, super cheap. And I think I got it for like the equivalent of $2, something like that. And now it's like the equivalent of like $25 or something here. Then I went to Muji, and there is a whole video about Muji on my channel if you would like to go and check that out. And then I headed over to, I don't know how to say this place, Kinokuniya, I'm not entirely sure, but it's a Japanese bookshop. It is a chain here in Bangkok. They have a huge one. I think it might be in Central World and CM Paragon, but this one was massive. And when you first walk in, it looks like it's all Japanese books, but they also have Thai, they had Chinese, they had English books, and obviously that is where I'm heading to. And I was actually looking for some books for a gift for one of my friends has got a young girl, so I was looking for some gifts for her. And then I was also looking for some books for myself as well. Right, that was a very popular shop. It's a very big shop. Got some books. Now I'm going to head home and I'll show you what I bought when I get home. And that is my day out at Emporium and EmQuartier. I hope you like this video. I'm just catching the BTS home. Had a lovely little day out. Right guys, I'm home now. I took the BTS home. That bookstore was amazing. So when you first walk in, it looks quite small and it was all in Japanese, like all the signs were Japanese and everything. I was like, oh God, there's gonna be no books here. But it's actually huge. And there was even like a Chinese section. Obviously there's a Thai section, there's a Japanese section, and there was a huge book, like English book section as well. So that was fantastic. There was so many books there. I'll definitely be heading back there because I do love a book. So a few things I just wanted to show you what I bought. So I did buy myself a travel book, so I'm excited to read that. I also got myself these highlighter pens because I have just got a new planner, so I want to use some highlighters. I've got this, I'm not going to say the name out loud because this is a gift for Callum, and he's just next door, so that is going to be a little thing that he can have at Christmas. And then I have a colleague at work who has a little 1.5-year-old, and they're English. So I've got a little Where's My Queen book, which I just thought was really cute. And they also had like a Santa's gift book as well. So I bought those. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap those up, ready to give them. But yeah, that was my little shopping haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing what EmQuartier and Emporium have. So obviously the malls in Bangkok, there's lots of different malls here that have loads of Christmas decorations. Like, it is a big thing here for Christmas, where the malls kind of, I don't know if they compete with each other, but they do have a lot of impressive decorations. I have been to Central World a few weeks back. I'll leave the link in the description and pull it up here somewhere. But yeah, definitely check out the malls if you're here at Christmas time, because they are impressive. Emporium is, I think I mentioned it earlier, Emporium is more like high branded stuff, whereas EmQuartier has more varied shops in it. But those are two very popular ones, and they're right on the BTS, so it's easy to get to and from. Anyway, I'm gonna have some dinner, so I shall love you and leave you, and I shall see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas.